In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer list to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing list of customers into your store quickly and safely using Shopify's built-in import tool. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store. Once you're in your admin, look to the left sidebar and open the customer section. This is your hub for everything related to your customer profiles, including viewing, segmenting, and importing data from a file you already have. At the top of the Customers page, click Import Customers. This opens a simple dialog that walks you through the process. Shopify imports customer data using a CSV file, which is a common spreadsheet format. If you already have your list in a spreadsheet, you can export it as CSV before you continue. A quick tip here. Make sure your file uses clear column headers like first name, last name, email, phone, and address details. Email or phone is typically what Shopify uses to recognize and avoid duplicates, so having at least one of those for each customer is helpful. In the import dialog, click Add File. Your computer's file picker will open, select your customer CSV, and click Open. If your file is large, give it a moment to attach. Before continuing, it's worth checking that the file is saved in UTF-8 encoding and that your dates, country codes, and phone numbers follow consistent formats. That helps Shopify read the data cleanly and place it in the right fields. Back in the dialog, you may see options related to how Shopify handles existing customers, such as updating records if there's a match by email or phone. Choose the behavior that aligns with your goal, especially if you're refreshing an existing database. When everything looks correct, click Import Customers to start the upload. Shopify will process the file and begin adding profiles to your customers list. For larger files, this can take a little while, and you might see a confirmation message when it's done. After the import finishes, return to the customers page and review a few records. Check that names, emails, and addresses landed in the correct fields, and use the search bar to confirm a couple of known entries. If anything looks off, verify your CSV headers and formatting, then adjust and re-import as needed. That's all there is to it. Keep a backup of your original CSV, ensure you have consent before marking anyone as subscribed for marketing, and you'll have a clean, organized customer list ready to power email campaigns, segmentation, and personalized experiences in your Shopify store.